Well, hello out there, TV land. It is I, Two Glory Guy, and today I got a special hat on for a special occasion. We're talking about this piece of eye candy. Look at it, it's gorgeous. It is the 848 Evo Corse Special Edition. How do I know that? Because it says it right on the bike. I'm not just blowing fart bubbles here, people.
Impressive.
1,547 of these bikes made in the world. All the world. Not just North America, not Europe, all of the world. So your chances of seeing one of these in real life, sorry, a little thin to see that, but you're lucky you get to see it today on video. The carbon fiber on this bike is everywhere. It doesn't matter where you look, you discover something new on it. Did not come stock. He has all the original parts, but we went carbon fiber. The exhaust is aftermarket, and I tell you, what a sound. I'll have to put a sound clip in here so you guys can enjoy it out in TV land. Suspension is actually aftermarket too. We have a full-on ohms suspension, and it looks gorgeous. I can't say that word enough. This bike is absolutely stunning. Stunning. All right, let's talk about the indicators. It looks pretty good. In the seat, it used to be vented, so this was open, but now you have this aftermarket kit which has the indicator inside of it, which looks pretty darn awesome. Now on the other side, looks pretty good. Same thing, looks awesome. Blinky blinky, very nice. If you want to ride and tour, probably not the bike for you, but if you want to get around town, rip around the city, a few hours, you're good to go. It's a fun bike, full on sports, very nimble. A lot of people really have some high praise for the 848 Evo. They really do. It's a great bike. So let's talk about the specs. Specs, you're looking at about 140 horsepower. Oh, fun. But due to its tuning and its aftermarket exhaust, you're getting about an extra 4 to 8 horsepower. So you're getting up close to 150 ponies of fun right there, kids. And I'm telling you, this thing can haul ass. And any of you who own one of these bikes knows that, yeah, it's got a lot of pull. It's very nimble. Beautiful bike. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, bike driver, start that bike. Yeah, kids, take that in. Take it all in, smell it. Gosh darn delicious. Anyways, that's the exhaust. On that note, thanks for coming out and checking the channel. Until next time, ciao for now.